Na emotional moment for Naija as former Presido Buhari bodi land for Umaru Musa Yar'Adua International Airport for Kastina. Buhari wey kpai for United Kingdom on Sunday, July 13, 2025, arrived Naija as Presido Bola Ahmed Tinubu dey on ground to welcome the body. Kastina State Governor Dikko Umar Rada, former Vice Presido Yemi Osinbajo, and many other ogbonge pipo also dey there to receive im body. Top government officials, governors, military big men, and many people from across the country also show to pay their last respect. Under tight security, dem carry the body enter ambulance as Naija begin bid farewell to one of their former leaders. Make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimwa, TMC News.